Hey guys, I'm gonna show you the difference between taking a photo with the light facing you versus against you. So really quick, I'm gonna show you what it looks like with the light. I kind of have the sun behind me here. I'm gonna toss it out. Let me get that picture. It's gonna come back to me. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like taking a shot with the sun behind you. So you're going to do the exact same thing, 3 clicks, 1, 2, 3. Little toss forward. Okay, you're going to line it up with your face. You're going to get that shot. And just like that, swipe to see the photos.